Hi everyone. I spoke about keywords and keyword research in a Business 101 video. It is important to know what keywords are and how to do keyword research. This is because keywords can help your business make money. Now, how can keywords help you do that? Let's find out in this video where I will talk about how to find keywords for a website and make money. Keywords are phrases that we use to search for things like information, places, services, products, etc. And keyword research is the work done to find out what keywords people use to find what they need on search engines. Previously, I have published a video about this quite some time back. It's in the Business 101 playlist. So if you're interested to find out more about keywords and keyword research, then go to the playlist, the Business 101 playlist, and watch that video. When people are interested in buying things, stuff that they need or want, they search on the search engines. And sometimes initially they want to search for information about a type of product they're interested in. Eventually, it will come to a point when they search, after finding out all they need about the product, they will search for that product and where to buy the product. So when they're researching, your website and pages need to be found on those search results so that, when they appear on the search results, people will click on the links and then they will land on your website and you have an opportunity to convert these visitors into customers. Also important, your web pages must be found on search results also when they're ready to buy. So the question is, how do you get your web pages and website on these search results, especially on these first pages of the search results? What you do is you do keyword research. You find the keywords that can get your web pages ranked high and even on the first pages of search results. So once they're on the first pages of search results, there's a chance that people will click on it and this drives traffic to your website. And this traffic you can convert into customers. As a result, you get sales. So sales is revenue, right? That's revenue that you are making money. It's revenue and you are making money from your website. As mentioned, to find keywords that can help get your web pages ranked high and even on first pages of search results, you need a powerful keyword tool. On Wealthy Affiliate, you can get one that comes with a training program. Yep, and it's free because it's packaged with this training program. I will leave a link in the description below where you can click on it and you can get this free training program plus this keyword tool for free. So go down to the description below and click on the link to get it now. On Wealthy Affiliate, you can see the word research on the main menu option. You click on that and it will bring you to Jaxi. Here we see the Jaxi dashboard. To find keywords for your web pages, you simply use the keywords tab, right? On this tab, you can see a field for you to enter keyword. So just enter a keyword for a web page or a blog post you're planning to create and publish. You can always start with a broad keyword. For example, it can be a health product such as vitamin D, right? Say for example, you're writing about vitamin D and you're in the health and wellness niche. So you type in the words vitamin D and do a search. Here are the search results for the keyword vitamin D. right? So from that very first line, you can see that, for vitamin D, there's AVG, right? AVG is the average number of searches per month. And for vitamin D, the AVG is it's around 191,368 searches per month. Traffic is the potential number of visits to your website if you rank high, especially when you rank on the first page, right? So this is quite an important data to get, right? So vitamin D has 32,533 potential traffic for the if you use this keyword, right? So we want to know a little bit more, right? As I said, Jaxi gives you really useful information. So here, after we click on QSR, we can see more info, which is very helpful. QSR tells us the number of websites that are competing for these keywords. In other words, this is your competition. And it says here that there are 151 other websites using the keyword vitamin D. That's not too bad, yeah. Usually anything below 300 and below is good, yeah, it's okay. But 151, okay, you still need a bit of work to get to the top of the competition. Then there's the KQI, key quality indicator, keyword quality indicator. It tells us that this keyword is normal. So there's normal, great, or poor, and normal's not too good. Yeah. Ideally, I prefer to get great at the KQI. And then there's the SEO column, which says 71. That's not too good. Yeah. Usually I prefer it to be 90 and above. An acceptable amount will be a variance around 90, say 85 to 90. Yeah, so also it depends. You got to look at the QSR and the KQI. So this tells us that the broad keyword vitamin D is not too ideal if I plan to use it as a keyword for my blog post or a web page that I'm planning to use, or planning to publish. Let's take a look further down the list. Yeah, I see benefits of vitamin D. The AVG and traffic looks good. So let's dig deeper by clicking on that keyword. Yeah, and there you go. So now we click on the QSR. Plus, I see a few other keywords that I might consider. So I click on the QSR for those keywords. And then I sort the three keywords according to QSR to see which ones that I would like to use. Yeah, this helps me to compare these three keywords that I've selected. So if I'm planning to write a blog post about the benefits of vitamin D, I have these three ideas to consider. You can do more if you find more keywords, of course. So looking at these three keywords, I have a decision to make. I might go for the keyword benefits of vitamin D. The reason is because the average searches because of the high average searches and traffic, right? But the QSR is higher than the other three. Plus, the SEO is lower than the keyword, what are the benefits of vitamin D, right? So now that we've noticed that, I take a look at what are the benefits of vitamin D, that particular keyword, because I might want to actually consider this keyword instead, right? The reason is because the SEO is near 90, which I'm very happy with, yeah, and the QSR is the lowest among the three, right? The three keywords I've selected. Also, the words benefits of vitamin D are actually within that same keyword. So there's a chance that, eventually, the web page or the blog post that I plan to write and publish can also rank for that keyword. More importantly, this keyword is also known as a long tail keyword. Long tail keywords are known to be easier to rank, and also they have higher user intent. They are more, when people use this, they have higher intent to actually find out something or buy something. So as the data here shows, too, this proves that this long tail keyword is ideal. So if I were you and you are planning to write a blog post about the benefits of vitamin D, I would choose this keyword, which is, what are the benefits of vitamin D? Now that you have learned how to find keywords for a website and make money using Jaxi, the next thing to do, of course, is to use this keyword tool, right? And be able to find keywords for your blog posts, your web pages, and get them ranked high. I also explain how to do that in the on-page SEO episodes in the Digital Marketing 101 series. So go watch the videos to learn how to use the keywords and get ranked high and make money. If you need to access Jaxi, that means if you need to get and use Jaxi, you can do it by joining the free training program that I recommend. And yes, it is Jaxi is free with that free training provided. So go to the link in the description below. Yeah, click on the link and go get the free training and try it out. You can start with a free starter membership. Again, it comes with Jaxi, yeah, all right, for free. So do you have any questions about this video, how to find keywords for a website and make money? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos about making money online, and I'll try to do it every Friday. And I will also do videos about business, and digital marketing, and I'll try to publish that every Wednesday. All right. So if you like to get updated whenever I publish a new video, remember to subscribe and click on the notification button. I wish you immense wealth and success.